Yes, we're back. All right. Good morning or good evening. Good morning, most likely. TLA Trader, welcome. Oh, I didn't even know that Trump tweeted anything. Kirk, almost first again, but let's say first. Welcome, Kirk. Good morning. MyFundedFutures or TraderFi? It depends, you know. It depends on your trading style strategy. You know, the answer is a question, basically. I like MyFundedFutures, but TraderFi is very good too, especially with the instant funded model. The only thing with TraderFi is that I can't trade with Rhythmic, so I have to log into TraderWeight. That's it. But you know, yeah, everybody kiss the ring. All right, Trader Monk. Good morning. You're again. Hotshot FX. Hello, Servus. Good morning. All right. All right. So what's happening here on NQ? Not much, right? I still have a position on gold, by the way, which I might gonna... Maybe I'm going to close it. Actually, I'm closing it now. All right, it's better this way. It's better this way. I closed it. Yeah, news at 10 a.m. Yeah. We have news. Unemployment claims. Oh, slightly higher than expected. Actually, not slightly, quite higher. GDP news. Oh, new pending home sales. That's going to be interesting. I would say this is... Yeah, everybody's going to wait for that. Yeah. Thank you, Kirk. Look at me. You know, this is the type of you want to be when you grow up, you know. Exactly. All right. MB Trader, good morning. Welcome. It was like... Oh, that was not for you. I said Hungarian. Welcome. Brett had another business years ago and he rock pulled many of his customers. Oh, that's not good. Damn. Careful. Careful. Oh man, this is why I'm saying, like, I'm sticking with the big ones, with the big prop firms, but obviously TraderFi is paying everybody nowadays, so they're paying their traders. But you know, I hope it stays that way. I really do. Kirk likes rugs. Yeah. So we have a few minutes until market open. And seems like NQ really wants to hit some levels up there. Yeah, seems like it. Persian rugs, yeah. Look into it. It's out. Oh, really? Oh, I'm gonna look into that. Thank you. So he did the rug pull already. Oh. Good morning, Jonathan. Welcome, welcome. Ah, thank you. Thank you. 520. You're buying a 520. That's nice. Is it a diesel or gasoline? 520 is actually you know, it has the luxury and everything, and it's still like you know, a few years ago. Nice. So some friend of mine told me, oh, NQ520. NQ520? Because I thought you're referring to a BMW 520. BMW 520, I would say only buy diesel with 520. It's cost effective, you know, for consumption. So a few years ago he did that, you say. Wow. Yeah, 520 NQ. I was thinking still in BMW terms. 520. That's a few years ago. Wow. Toyota Camry is a good one. Hey, I know the Camrys are indestructible. I know it. I know. Toyota Camrys are indestructible. But anyway, I think you know, for now it seems like Tradeify is doing everything properly. So I hope they will keep doing that way. I hope they keep the vibe. Da, 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 da. We will rally if Nvidia holds. Well, yeah. NB Trader is trading with them. No, not car channel. We're gonna do a car channel as well. How about that? I don't know. I was in a gold long position earlier, and it was wiggling around, and it survived this movement, and I closed it. So I don't know what's up with gold here. I think it should be going up. We have relative equal highs and some levels up there. So yeah. Yes, yes, Kirk. Please don't. Why? I have the milestone account, but I'm still okay with. I mean, I'm trading with micros. You know, wherever I would trade a 50K account, I would definitely go for like $3,000 or $4,000 in profit. That's what I'm aiming for. So I'm perfectly fine with the milestone account. If I reach 3,000, I can get 2,000. That's it. So I'm already up like I don't even know. I'm up $1,166. Obviously, there's a lot to go, but you know, small steps, small steps. That's what I do. $3 p.m. Eastern. He saw the whole thing a few years ago. He knows. Wow. So he knows. Wow, wow. That's interesting. Thanks for noticing me, by the way. But I really hope that, you know, I mean, Brett Simba, he's like a young fellow, right? So obviously he could have made some mistakes, but is he a scammer or some? I don't know, because I don't know him. But so far, Tradeify was paying out people, but I really hope it's not gonna change in a negative way. All right, we have market open real soon. Nintendo, hello there. My win rate, somewhere 51, 52-ish%. So it's definitely below 60. So 52 between 55-ish, I would say. At least when I see the numbers on MyFundedFutures and some other prop firms where I have a, win-loss ratio. All right, we have the market open. Yeah, 92.5. In my dreams. Yeah, exactly, Hotshot, exactly. Yeah, I mean, nowadays in this prop firm space, the only thing you can do if you want the good conditions, you want the buying power, you want the leverage, the only thing you can do is, take the leap of faith and just go on with the prop firm that you prefer to yourself, prefer to your trading style. Where Nintendo, I guess it could be better. I see people on social media, of course it should not bother me, with a much, much bigger win ratio. I guess it depends on what strategy you go with. All right, so far, so this is the 1 minute chart. Nothing special is happening. I think the market wants to wait for the 10 a.m. news. So it's a 10 a.m. news, What is going on? Are we going? I'm not in a position. I will let you guys know if I jump into a scalp position, but I'm not. Yeah, bit of a rangy situation here. We have previous day high. Very close. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit here. I'm not in a position, still waiting. This is just not doing anything. So basically we're stopped. NQ is still just, hovering. This is gold, sorry. Let me go here. Okay. So this is quant hour chart. Not much here that I like. It's pretty much just, pretty much just ranging. And what is this? Okay, this is London low is here. Yeah, this would be London low. I'm gonna put a line there. I'm gonna call that London low. All right. Previous day high up here. And that's it. I know. Everybody's waiting for the 10 a.m. news. That's what's happening. Yes. Yes, Kirk, I 100% agree. I guess we should wait until 10. So let's talk about something. By the way, if someone is new on the stream right now or just popping in, check out the giveaway. The link is in the description right below the video or in the chat. Streamlabs is spamming it to the chat or up in the title. Check it out. $100 giveaway. Super simple. Register with your email and name. You can earn some points that increasing your chances for the win. Super simple, and you can do it daily, by the way. So more points, more chance to win. We're gonna pick the winner next week, I think Wednesday or Thursday, somewhere around there. So, but one winner with $100. All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, it seems like it wants to go. The problem is the news. I'm not gonna do anything. You know, if I just jump in here, it should be taking out the 86. I don't know. Maybe for a scalp. Not really a fan of the idea. Swept liquidity could go lower. You know. Swept the liquidity, it could go lower. Where was the first fair value gap? I think this was the one, right? The first presentation gap was this. This should be the one. Okay. Okay, there is no gap on the 15 and the 5-minute below. It practically inversed this. I would say it's a not too perfect bullish order block down there at 300, but I don't think it wants to go there. Gold is also, you know, edging lower. Come on. What's it gonna be? It's going lower. I'm not jumping in. That would be chasing it. I just can't. Wow. What was this? Okay, taking out the range. There was no gap here to reprice. 304 could be the next one. Yeah. Wow. Okay, touch the order block. Next level would be down there, 270. What is down there? The charts are basically frozen. There is a delay in the charts. Okay, I'm switching to TradingView. The candles, I mean, yeah, there's a delay in the data. TradingView is somewhat keeping up. What is this buy side liquidity? Yeah, let's leave that. Oh, I don't know what was that. Oh yeah, I'm deleting this line and also this line. All right, new day opening gap is down there. Oh, it might go lower to the new day opening gap, which is London low. Whew. Jeez. Wow. Taking out the London low. Almost down there at 50. I was a little bit tempted to jump in, but right now the data is just, oh wow, here it comes, 250. There you go, 250. Wow. Okay, so London low taken. Yeah, Anthony, TradingView keeping up with the data. Quant Hour, I mean Rhythmic, and also CQG on MyFundedFutures, they were having a delay issue. The charts were lagging pretty much. Akram, good to see you. Good, doing well, thank you. Good to see you here. How you doing? How's the trades? How's the profits, man? I hope you're printing that money. Yeah, so I didn't want to chase it. I was afraid of a bounce here. Still going lower. Back to midnight? I guess it wants to. What is down there? I have to check the 5-minute though. What is down there? Jeez, it wants to go to 77. Oh my god. Before the news? Did we just drop 170 points? Just like that? Wow. Wow. We just dropped, like, how much was it from the top? Almost 200 points from the top here after the open. And it's not over yet. Jeez. What the hell, man? Okay. What the hell? 211 points. I was thinking to jump into a scalp for a quick 10 points, but by the time I got there, it already went down to 170. Well, what can we do, right? Yeah, NQ is, I don't know what's happening, but yeah, Naomi, yeah. I mean, that is absolutely crazy. I mean, and you know the problem is that after this move, this is gonna be it. After this dump, now that we actually made the move, because this was the move, this is what's gonna happen. This is the AM session. Thank you. That is it. That's the problem with this. You know, takes the stairs, blah blah blah, and then boom, elevator, and then consolidation. I don't know. There was this beautiful candle here. Flat candle has been repriced completely. Not much to do here. This is not Asia high, man. This is Asia low. This would be Asia low, 107. So here's the bounce. I don't get it. I'm not in a position. I have not put on any trade. Not even on an evaluation account. No trades. Still waiting. Oh, nice. Let's go, Kirk. Yeah. There's, you know, you have to wait for the 10 a.m. No, I'm not taking it, Kirk. I'm not doing anything. No, try. I swear. I solemnly swear. No trade. No trade on not even evaluation account at this point until the news. A bit of a FOMO kicking in because I was looking for the 176 level while it was wiggling here, but there was such a big data lag that I wasn't sure. So, anyway. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. No, don't cry. I'm not gonna do it. Revan, hey. V bottom. Could be. On the 5-minute, I'm looking for this Asia low, to be honest. Looking for this Asia low. Looks nice. And also, look at this level here, below Asia low. This was the earnings report at 2196.25 on the micro. This was yesterday after 4 p.m. It was 4:20. This was the earning report. So this could be an interesting target for later if it still wants to drop. I mean, not far. Yeah, 70 points. Easy drop if it wants to. Yeah, I mean, I don't have a plan yet. After this drop, it definitely feels bearish. So if it turns around, um, I would like to see a structure shift, as you can see, mostly around here at 232. I'd like to see that shift happening to the upside. But now, oh yeah, the macro is coming, and everybody's gonna wait for the news. But I still feel like it could be a short opportunity. I might take it. I don't know. I might take it. Maybe just you know, with a small micro position. Why not? But it depends. Asia low was 107, right? So it can easily go down. It can easily go down. Look at that. Are we going for Asia low? I entered the short, by the way. Oh, I said it. It's a very small, one micro, guys. One single micro. One single micro. So I don't mind. This would be the probe trade for New York session, okay? I don't know what I did now. Great. I lost the data feed. Okay. Never mind. I just lost connection there. I love when this happens. Anyway, macro is already doing the job. It's just one micro. On a funded account, yes. On a funded account, but only on one funded account. And, you know, this is not high impact news, or is it? Medium impact. Sorry, no. Medium impact news. And it's at Bulenox. And Bulenox is fine. It's one single micro, Kirk. It's one single micro. Oh, take profit trader. I'm not doing anything right now with take profit trader. I mean, obviously, I'll be careful with the news. With take profit trader. Yeah, it's at Bulenox. I still don't have the data. I lost the data. We lost Bulenox. We lost the Bulenox here. No data. No. It's not loading. Hey, actually it hit the take profit. It hit the TP. It should have hit the TP at least. Woo! 120 bucks. Let's check the account. Oh, here it is. It hit the TP. I don't see it because my chart lost connection, but I made 128 bucks on the Bulenox funded account, so it's almost at $4,000. Yes. Going for, okay, I think we took out the what was that? We took out the news low. So earning reports low has been taken out. That's what she said. Yeah, Bulenox knows something. Yeah, by the way, Jonathan, I think you're right. I think these prop firms know something. You know, when there's a huge data lag and connection issue, that's when the market is like, it's gonna shit the bed. I'm sorry, but you know. First one trade. No, this was. I'm super happy. This was. I did not copy trade. This was just one single micro. One single micro. But hey, I take $128 any day on one account as well. For my current standards. Oh, by the way, Raven, you're stopped. I see that now. Raven, I hope the loss is. I mean, not too big. Hmm. Yeah, no way, Jonathan. That would totally wreck me emotionally. Okay, so now definitely waiting for the news. Nintendo is green. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job. And it's still going lower. What the hell is going on, man? What is this? Just saying, we are down 350 points almost from the top. And it's, you know, what next sell side is at 992-ish. Let's check it. 990 on the micro as possible sell side liquidity. All right. All right. So I don't know. Everything is lagging. Even the CQG connection has some lagging issue. Yeah, it's not red folder news, so you can trade it. With Take Profit Trader, you can trade the basically you can also trade red folder news because they have a calendar. When you log into Take Profit Trader, on the upper right corner, you can click on the calendar and you can see which news events are marked. Those are usually just CPI, NFP, and FOMC, those three. The other ones are not really. At least that's what support said like months ago to me, that they marked out the ones that you should not trade. There are still some other red folder news, and Take Profit Trader is okay, quote unquote, okay to trade those. So it's not indicated, but best to make sure to ask support. But you can definitely trade the medium impact news like home sales if you want to. Yeah, it seems like it. Oh, this is Tuesday, or this is Tuesday low, right? Tuesday. AM session low. It wants to take it out. Look at how close it is. $30 points should be done, but the news is coming out in a minute. Yeah. 10, there's a 20 there. $9.90. Well, 20 points still. It should be taking it out. Here comes the news. Boom, one spike down. Then, here it is. Here it is, 20 point spike. Tuesday low taken out. Boom. And now comes the big question. What to do now? What to do now? You know. Motherfucker is here. Welcome. You see, oh yeah. Yeah, Nathan, they're true. You're watching the stream while streaming. Let's go. Let's go. GG. So, did Trump say anything? Did he tweeted something? How you doing, motherfucker? I hope you're doing good. Man, did he say something? Did he tweeted something? Wow. Look at this drop. What is going on, man? Like, really? NQ is shitting the bed right now. I mean, I think it was expected in a way. Nothing can last forever. Next sell side liquidity 763. All right. All right. Doing good, nice. By the dip, it keeps dripping, yeah. Ending some deal with Venezuela, really? Wow. 25% tariff again. Woo. Holding, nice. 4,500. Man, you guys are printing money. I'm definitely behind everybody here. I'm taking very small steps. Just touch the daily BC. Consequent encroachment. Anyway, I am super scared to jump into a long position on this. 250. 250? Like what? What is down there? I mean, I know what is down there, but okay. Okay. I see what you mean. Yeah, I mean, why not? We have relative equal lows as well. I am super scared to jump into a long position. And that's the problem again. Too low to sell, too low to go long. Too low to sell, too low to buy. You're Teddy bro. I'm just you know, small steps, you know. But hey, I need to do a recap from February. I didn't buy new. That's why I'm down. So I was like having 9 funded accounts, but I'm down to 5 funded accounts. I didn't buy new ones or activate new ones. But I managed to take out 15 plus 2,700. How much is that? 37, $4,200 this month. $4,200 in payouts this month from trading, which is not too much, but I mean, yeah, I bought some accounts, but it was in January, No, it was in February. Anyway, I spent, and in January I took out $2,400. So that's like 42, 62, like $6,600 January and February in payouts, and I've spent about $2,000 on evaluations and activation fees. So I should be up net about $4,000. So my expenses were a little bit above $2,000, but I also lost funded accounts. So I was up like 9 funded accounts, and you know, I'm down to 5. But net 4,000, which is positive, but you know, still have to work. Still have to work on those numbers. The trend is our friend, yes. And now we have to wait for the structure to build up. Oh well, if it doesn't have a top wick, that's good. 2,000 on this drop, MB Trader. Shut the front door, man. This might be a reversal. Might be, but first I want to. If it reverses, I would like to wait. It could be. I don't know. I would like to wait for a structure here to be built up. The thing is that even if it would be an inversion candle, that would have been nice to have a bigger up close candle to be an inversion. And so because of that, I need to see some kind of a structure. Enter the giveaway. Let's go. Inversion under 1 minute. It's not. Yeah, technically it's an inversion, but I like to see this candle close above the gap, and this would have been a nice one if we see not like 3 small candles, but I like to see a big candle closing higher, not like this. This is a weak one. This is a weak inversion, but it's still good for a structure. I mean, this swing high could go as a structure if it's not going to trade higher. Yeah, I'm not trusting this. I'm not trusting the longs here. An example? Yeah, sure. Let's go with an example for a fairly good inversion gap. Okay, so here it is. Here. Maybe not the best, and forget about the time. Forget about this was an Asia session, but who cares? Here it is. Bullish, fair value gap. Boom. Inverted. Best entry when the candle closes lower is to wait for retracement. Maybe best would be into the gap. You know, this candle almost got into the gap, but at least for some kind of a retracement and then enter. You can also take an aggressive entry here, but then you have to count that you might go into a drawdown. Better entry would be somewhere on the retracement, but this is a much better inversion situation here, you know, or I don't even know. For example, this one, but it didn't work out, but obviously it was a bullish flag situation, so that's why I would not taken it, but still, you know, goes down, retraces, boom. Even if you take this with a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio on the retracement, even if it just gets closer or into the gap, you enter here, put your stop somewhere above the gap, you know, with the even with a 1-to-2, but a 1-to-1 risk to reward could work out, you know. But I would say that's a much better inversion than this one here. You find these are more high. It depends on where they occur. So it always depends on the timing. When do they occur? Are they occurring in the kill zone, or mostly in the silver bullet hour when there is high volume, or is there a significant area? So you have to look at the big picture. You have to look at the bigger market structure. What are you looking for? Are you looking for a certain level, or are you looking for a turnaround? So you have to see it in context with other things. So the higher probability is the one that always lines up with your concept or analysis, your anticipation of where is the draw on liquidity. That's what I would say. That's the higher probability. So there's no exact setup like this is the one. I would say it has to be in context with your analysis, and that will be the higher probability setup. For example, I'd like to go long, but this is just, you know, slowly taking the stairs. This is not a proper inversion to me. I'd like to anticipate that this one's gonna go back higher, but I don't like it. If it closes above with an up close candle above 11.75, then I might gonna take a long position, to be honest. I might gonna take a long. Not on this candle, but I'm gonna wait for the next candle. So I have to really carefully think about what I'm gonna do here and which account. I might going to take a trade. I might gonna take a trade on this, and maybe it's gonna be on a MyFundedFutures funded account. Not that I have multiple ones, but okay. So I'm gonna wait for this current candle. I like this one. It's not a perfect shift. It's not a perfect shift, by far not a perfect shift, but I take it. So, oh, come on. Bullish market structure shift. Liquidity has definitely been swept. I have to wait for a proper retracement lower. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio would be up there. It says 0.76 micro if I'm risking $100, so that means I have to go with 1 micro on this one for $100. So I'm placing a limit buy order, a limit buy at 09. I placed the limit buy order at 09 on the MyFundedFutures account. Okay, I got tagged into the position. And I'm in a long position now. Let me show you. If I lose it, it's all right. Obviously, it's part of the game. So it's on a funded account, and I'm risking about $110 on this. Okay. I'm looking for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. The only thing I could do or may do is if it goes above 75, I might put it to break even, because it can still drop like crazy. I don't like to put it to break. I like to give some bigger room to it, but you know, we'll see. So Sir Benson, hello, welcome, long time. Where have you been, man? Oh, did we just go up there? Oh my god, I'm putting this to break even. All right, break even trade. Should I take the money? Should I take the profit? That's what I was afraid of. That it's gonna come into this pocket here and it's gonna stop. Dude. F it, I'm taking it. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna tell you exactly why I took it. So this is the account. Because we are in an absolutely down. I mean, we are in a super bearish downtrend, and I just, you know, this just picked up liquidity from this gap, and it's time to, you know, go down again. My original TP was up there at 17-ish, but I took it. It's $128. I'm okay with one single micro. So I take it on a funded account anytime. So where have you been, Sir Bernson? Australia. Nice. This is on a MyFundedFutures milestone account. MyFundedFutures milestone account, which is an instant funded account. Instant funded account from MyFundedFutures. We're thinking the same. Yeah, so look at that. Look at how price is struggling. That's why I'm watching Quant Hour. Look at how struggling. Obviously, it can break through to the 17-ish, 117 or 117. But look at how. That's why I took it off here, because like I don't like it. It can still continue to dump. I couldn't close. If I could have like for example 2 micro, I would still leave a runner to go up there to 17, and the rest I would maybe trail it here or put it to break even. Oh, the FOMO is gonna kick in. But with 1 micro, I just had to take profit with 1 micro. This is typical, man. This is so typical. Anyway. Anyway, November 19 low. What is this doing there? I don't know. So I'm out of coffee. Look at it. It's struggling here. So I think I did good to close it. Look on the Discord. Your go trade. Let me check. I have to log in though. Hold on. I haven't checked on Discord. Oh, let me check. We have a few messages here. Oh, I missed a message from Methodical Man. Oh. Let me check on the Discord. Gold trade. Whew. Nice. So this is your beautiful man. Beautiful. Nice. That's how you do it. Congratulations. Well, I have to answer a few messages. I'm gonna answer them later. Oh, I had so far it's a paid membership, but give me a little bit of time because we're gonna do a free Discord. It's gonna be a free Discord. But there's gonna be something special for the members because we have members who are paid members, and I have a little bit of extra for those because obviously they pay the monthly fee or lifetime fee, and I want something special for them. But there's gonna be a free version. Yeah, that's why I think it's a good thing I've gone out from that trade. What is going on here? Okay, look at that. Is this gonna be a continuation? Yeah, you paid with your jokes. Yeah, Kirk, I know. We are in 15 minutes below. Let's see the 15-minute here. Oh yeah. Feels like a bearish breaker though, right? Could continue. Could continue. Oh, look at that. It would have reached my original TP, but hey. So. Should have, patience pays. Look at that. And you never know. It could have just turned against. What is happening on gold, by the way? Oh, look at this. You're in. Nintendo, congratulations. Gold also took a low. I don't know what gold is doing right now. What? What? Motherfucker, come on. What happened there? What? Motherfucker.
What did you do?
What did you do there? What? Or if I should just play this.
I'm sorry. I couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist. Come on, man. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Full ported shorts. Oh. Yeah. I know exactly how it is, man. I know exactly how it is. Trust me. Sorry, man. I'm sorry, but hey, have to move on and learn from it. Yeah. Exactly, Naomi. Vivian is here. Hello, Vivian. Nice to see you again. Yeah, this market gets us all. I mean, That's why I always say the market humbles everybody. But listen, I know you're a big guy, motherfucker. You can manage this one. You're gonna move on. You know, this is gonna burn into your head just like it happened to me and to every one of us, and we have to move on. This is how it is. As I say it, it's my one of my mottos. There's no option B, right? There's no option B. So exactly. Nertender risk 5. Hey, that's where you begin. You know, as you evolve Nertender, you're gonna risk 5,000 on a trade. You better win the giveaway. Yeah. Oh, I see. No problem. I know, Vivian. I mean, I was hoping. I love that we have ladies in the stream. Girl power, you know. So. But hey, motherfucker, I know you're gonna recover. I know you're a big dude. You can make it back. Every day. Oh. Oh, thank you, Vivian. I'm honored. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you know, that's the other part, Nertender. We have to work on this. You have to work on the mindset. That's what it's all about. I don't know what was the big drop. Let's check the news. Something about tariffs, I think, with Venezuela. Expectation surveys. Was this one? This one actually was before the market opened, but recent champions. Fed cannot let down its guard. Okay. Trump administration, U.S. wants okay. Trump, April 2nd. Okay. Tariff date remains in full. Oh, so yeah. So he said that, you know, the tariffs. He gave 30 days to those countries. So the date is gonna stay in place with full force. Wow. China to also be charged an additional 10%. Okay. So I guess the market takes it a little bit heavy. I don't know. I don't know if that was the case. Get ready long. It could be a long position here, by the way. Targeting the 230-ish area. I don't know. Should I jump in? Should I not? Good evening, morning. Hello, Bravo. Or yeah, or could be a lot of liquidity that was just sitting there, and the market just wanted to sweep everybody. The market just wanted to do the sweep. Well, what did you miss, Bravo? Well, basically nothing. You just missed a 460 points drop, but nothing. No, but really nothing. I entered the long position and I got cold feet, so I entered a long position here, and I took profit just before this consolidation. But I made $128 with one micro on a funded account. And I also What was I doing? I was in a short after the open. Also made another 128 on another funded account with no copy trading. So I had the short and the long, but so far that's it. Only with one single micro. I was like, no way, this is moving too fast. Tuesday, yeah, it swept the Tuesday low. Yeah, so what's on the 5-minute here? It can still go higher. It can still go. I'm thinking to maybe scalp a little bit on another account. Where is it? So maybe I could do some scalping. It seems like maybe I'm gonna do a bit of a scalping with micros. Maybe I shouldn't. Man, there is a data delay again. Something is happening. I'm telling you, there is something fishy going on. Alright, I'm gonna scalp this if I can. Oh, Jesus, it's too much. Anyway. Let's go. Just a little bit of a short. This is on evaluation account, by the way, not funded. This is a take profit trader evaluation account. No. Just go lower. Just go lower. Bit of a bear flag scalp. Just go lower, man. Yeah. Could be. I don't know, TLA trader. I feel like we're in the middle of nowhere, so I'm just, thinking short term here. Short the gold. I'll be looking at it in a second. I'm focusing on this chart. Let's hope that it gets to my TP. Rejection. Let me look at gold. Actually, I'm waiting for this. My finger is on the flat button here. If it starts to do some crazy stuff, there you go. Nice. Okay, that was a good one. I'm not trusting the shorts on gold. That's sure. We swept some lows here. I'm not trusting the shorts after these sweeps. So I would like to see gold. Whoa! Johan Misa. I don't know. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the channel. Actually, I would like to go long here on gold, which I'm not going to do now, but here's the long position that I really like. Right here. Looks good. Reprice this one. Shifted structure again to the upside. We are inside of a fair value gap. Still looking good. The risk to reward ratio is good. Targets are good. Relative equal highs up there. Liquidity resting above these levels. So I'd like to see this one recover and go up there again. So this is a good opportunity. No financial advice, obviously, or not, but let's go. So I don't know what's happening. Are we going lower? Are we going lower? Just a second. There's a very important thing here. Very important thing. Hold on, I have to make a really important phone call. I'm sorry. Really important. Sorry, it was a very important phone call. Uh, uh, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Are we going higher or what? Are we going higher or what? What is higher? What do we have? I like the 231 if it wants to reprice some higher levels, but I don't know. Can we go back to 31? Or is this it? Hmm. Let's see. What is going on? Is this gonna take a push? Feel like it might. Could also go up to the 60s. It's not pushing it yet. Gotta be patient. I'm not really using trend lines, but for scalping maybe. If this is a trend here. Mhm. If it makes a strong push, we could go to the above the 60s. I might take a scalp on that, but otherwise, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. 600 on Top Step funded. All right, let's go, man. Congratulations. That is nice. That is nice. Okay, we had a push here. Green, what's up? What's up? Yeah, I'm not trusting the longs yet. What's going on, Green? Hope you're green. Hope you're green on the day. Um, a little bit tempted to jump into a long, not gonna lie. A little bit tempted to jump in. Just 2 micros here. You know, but it's all right because I made a good profit on the previous scalp, and if I can break that high up there, that would be great. That would be awesome. $1,900 on Elite Trader funding. Let's go, man. No, I mean, it's all right. I mean, this is just a very small position. If I lose this, I'm still going to be in green. And this is a test account, so it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Completely okay. Completely okay. Maybe not okay. No, it's if it goes down, it's fine. Then I'll be looking for some other level. Obviously, it has to form a different structure. Yeah, it does. It is respecting it. It's all right. It's fine. Gonna look for the next setup. Which Elite Trader funded is funded? What do you mean by that? Oh, this was a Trader funding. Yeah. And I mean, they are good. Good prop firm. I'm just forcing this now. There's nothing there. Still need to wait a proper move. We're in the macro, so let's see where this wants to take us. Oh, considering, well, it depends on if you want to pass, if you want to pass real quick on these evaluations, then I would say, for example, the cheap ones, the one-step evaluations are good. There's a fast track version. Actually, the one-step evaluation, that's it. It's cheap, $16.50 right now. That's it. Activation fee is, I think, 130 or 40. I don't know how much is the activation now. How much is the activation? I was not keeping track with the trader funding. No problem, Kirk. On the 5-minute, there is nothing special. We're still in the middle of nowhere. Still have to wait. All right, made a new low. No entry on my end still. I mean, it's not really doing anything. We're just waiting for the move. Waiting for the move to happen. This is not a real move. This is just wasting our time. By the way, Kirk, I would go with the cheapest upfront cost, to be honest. 360. Oh, that's why it's so cheap. I guess the 80 monthly is okay. Considering that you usually should be able to take a payout in at least 2 months, right? But hey, I mean, consider it. Even with the Apex, if if you take the monthly payment, you know, and let's just say that it takes you 2 months to reach a payout. You know, that's still okay-ish, you know. Motherfuck that. No, no. Okay. All right, Kirk. All right. All right. All right. Heck no, right? Just explain how intraday works. I used to end of day. Yeah, so it's simple. Yeah, so the unrealized profits are trailing your stop, like an active trailing stop. So, for example, if your drawdown is $2,500, so you start fresh on a 50K account, you got into a position, you go up to $1,000 in profit. That active open position is trailing your stop, so you go up to plus $1,000 on your open trade. Then your drawdown below the 50K is like only down to $1,500, right? It trailed up to negative $15,000. So you still have the 25. Anyway, forget about that. If you don't close the $1,000 profit and you let it go down to, for example, $500, you lost $500 from your trailing drawdown. That's it. As long, so you have to watch for the high watermark of equity at all the time until you reach the safety net, because that's when it locks in. So unrealized profits still matter. You know, you go up to 1,000, it goes back down, and you close the trade with 500 profit. You just lost $500 of trailing a drawdown from your account. That's how you have to view this. That's how simple. Always make sure to be aware of that. That's why I'm saying, if you go for just like $200 or $300 ish on a funded account while you're not reaching the $2,600, it's fine. For example, here's my Bulenox account. Here, it's where is it? Yeah, there you go. It's locked in. It's locked in at 50,100. So it's already a static account. I don't care about it anymore because it locks in at 26. If you reach $2,600 in profit, then you're good. That's the way to go. So just make sure that if you have some open profits, make sure to take some partials, manage your risk properly, because if you're not closing it, it's going to count until you're not reaching the safety net. For me, this account is nearly $4,000. I am perfectly fine because this is basically a static account now. This acts like a static account, so I'm okay. The payout policy sucks. Oh, there you go. Vast majority will fail their evals. Yeah, but you know, why is that, Tudor? It's because, including myself, it's because people are risking too much. I mean, evaluation account, especially if it's a cheap one, it's a different thing. But on the funded account, we should not be doing crazy things, right? Even I break my own rules. That's the problem. We should be trading like small baby steps. Baby, like I did, 128 on the account. I leave it. I move forward for the next day. I'm not going to risk it. You know, if I make like $200 or $300 or even 128, that's it. I'm fine. Moving on. But the problem is the greed. Although Gordon Gekko said greed is good, and I agree. Greed is not so good at prop firm trading. So we are the ones who are making this good for them, for the prop firms. Hey, no problem. No problem, Green. So, yeah. What is happening here? What is happening? Are we seeing some kind of a bullish push here, or is this just gonna... Excuse me. Yeah. Exactly. But that's the problem. But, you know, Tudor, and just like you said it now, you just lost $300 from your trailing drawdown. Now, if you calculate with $2,500, you went down to $2,200, right? But don't forget, because people keep forgetting this, and that's a good point. I'm not defending the prop firms, by absolutely not. But don't forget that you have a wiggle room for the next $300 in profit. Don't forget that. If your next trade makes $200 in profit, you're good. So that $300 that you lost on the high watermark, you don't have to worry on the next trade. So if you think about it, you have to remind yourself that, okay, the next trade should be less stressful because I have a $300 wiggle room from my safety threshold on the positive side as well. So if I aim for $200 or $300 on the next trade, the decision should be easier to make. So that is going to be there until you make a little bit more. It's psychology, risk management. Like if I lose a few $100s from my safety net, it's okay because I know that the next trade, I don't have to worry about my safety net on the next trade because I have bigger room on the upside as well. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, just remind yourself there, exactly. So if you reach the safety net, it's going to turn into a static account anyways. So whatever you do, it's end of day or intraday, whatever. When you reach the safety net, it's going to turn into a static account. And by the way, also don't forget that these accounts are actually, you know, when it started with the Forex prop firms, they have the two-phase challenge, right? Phase 1, phase 2. Now what happens? Phase 1, make 10% profit or 8%. Make 8%. Phase 2, make 5% profit, whatever. Phase 3 is your funded account, right? So for example, you start with a 50K account. Phase 3, you start with a fresh 50K account. That's your funded account. Now, whatever you make above the 50K, that's going to be your profit, right? Okay, that's the Forex prop firms. If you think about it, the futures prop firms are also two-phase challenges. First phase is the evaluation account. That's the first phase. Second phase is the safety net. So we are still in the same exact two-phase challenge. Almost doesn't matter which prop firm are we talking about. MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, even Top Step. The payout policy is very smartly, calculated in averages. They have the numbers. So whatever you do, doesn't matter which prop firm. Most of them have a safety threshold. It's calculated risk. All of them are two-phase prop firms. All of the future prop firms are actually two-phase challenges. So because anything you make and as in profit is most likely above the threshold, right? So just remember that. It's all is a two-phase challenge. So for example, this Bulenox account I showed, now that I'm above 2600, now I'm really at the money making phase, Until you are still trading below the safety net, you are still just in phase 2. The price, actually, yeah, I know. That's true. You have to make 23% of best day to count as a trading day in ETF. 23% of best day to count as a trading day? Yeah, from the safety threshold. Kind of interesting rule, right? I'm still waiting for, by the way, a breakout or something. I don't even know what is happening here. Trying to do a scalp trade, but no entry at this point. So he asks about, can you explain the withdrawal rules for 50k account? Is that you can only withdraw anything? Yes, exactly, Jose. Yes, at Bulenox, yes. It has to be minimum. Yes, exactly. For the first three, maximum is 1500. For the first three, the minimum is 1000, and anything above the safety net. You can withdraw the safety net, but you have to close the account, and there's a penalty. If you close the account, you only get 20% of the safety threshold, so that's nothing. I think above 50 or 60 days, you can get 50% of the safety net if you close the account. And, you know, it goes up like this. But yes, exactly. So that means you have to get above $3,600. So for example, here, this is okay for withdrawal, but you have to get above $3,600 to be able to withdraw minimum $1,000. That's it. The profit split, though, for the first $10,000 is 100%. So you can keep 100% of your profits. Above $10,000 overall withdrawals, there's a 90/10% profit split at Bulenox. For example, with Take Profit Trader, you can close the account immediately as you pass the safety net, and you can get 50% of your safety net at Take Profit Trader. Just saying. What? Where? Who is this Tom the Trader? I don't know. Where is Tom the Trader? Is he here? Maybe he's at Methodical Man. I don't know. Yeah, you need to reach 3,600. Exactly, Jose. You need to reach 3,600 in order to able to withdraw $1,000. But 100%, you know, for the first $10,000, you can keep 100% of that profit for the first 10. Okay. So yes, exactly. 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 What is going on? Dadeka is here. Hey, all is well. Yeah, all is good. All is good. welcome. How you doing, man? I don't know what's happening here, but I think not much, right? I don't think I'm gonna jump in here. Just like it's going. So then you are to say, what if you lose 200? Aren't you? Yeah, you are into the safety zone. Yes. Oh, thank you, Jose. Thank you. So I forgot to read your message there. When you are at 2600, if you lose 200, then you're in the safety zone. Yes. Yes. But, you know, you're still good. You just got to make sure, you know, to climb out from the safety zone and obviously up above 3600. That's the plan. That's the job. That's the job to do. All right, here's a push. Interesting. Almost feels like an inversion. I might jump in. And see how's it gonna go. Because if it goes, it should be taking that level up there. You know, trying to push higher. Kirk, I know. But it is too much. Yeah, I know ES is way less stressful. I know that. I know. I know it is way less stress. Looking for this to pop the pop this high. This is actually also practicing, you know, practicing some scalping skills and risk management. You know. All right. Let's go. All we have to do in a normal world, all we would have to do is like take like 2 of these trades or 3, even with the loss, 1 with the loss, and just make like $100 or $200 on rotating like 4 or 5 funded accounts. And that's how simple it would be in a perfect world. In a perfect world. Hey, thank you, Demon. Thank you. So, so yeah. In a perfect world. So I on this is a new account. So I had a scalp before with 3 micros, and again with 2, and now 2, and with 1 loss, it's $173. Now I take $173 with super low risk. You see, with 2 or 3 micros any day. Any day. Less stress, you know. Yeah, it's I think it might go back to the midnight level. That would be the midnight level. Right there. We could be going back. Let's see the 5-minute. Yeah. Maybe even going back to 232. Would be no surprise for me after, you know, going for that midnight area. 231.75. We'll see. Going up. 31.75. That's where it is. That's the London low. That doesn't matter anymore. This would be that level, 31.75. Let's see. By the way, there's a 5-minute fair value gap forming right now on the new candle lower, which is basically an inversion gap, so be careful jumping into a long right away. It can go down and reprice down at the 120s, so it might be better to wait. All right, going higher. Should be popping that swing high, 67. Very close, but very dangerous as well. Very dangerous. Good for a healthy 10 points or 15 points, but very dangerous. You know, it would be a buy high, sell low situation. I'm not jumping into a buy on this. No way. No way. What should we do? Is it going to pop it or not? Maybe not. Gotta be careful. I think it wants to go down below 13, I guess. Oh yeah, look at that. What's the low on that candle? I think the low is 13. Or is it gonna, you know? So it didn't go down for liquidity. On the 5-minute. That's kind of interesting. Kind of an interesting move. We'll see. I might want to get down to that 13.75-ish, I think. Let's see. Or maybe even down to the 14. As I said, repricing the 5-minute gap. That could be a thing. Not sure though. All right, it went lower. So now we are back at that 5-minute area. And after this, would be interesting to see what happens next. You know. Still repricing those levels down there. There's a fair value gap, 72. Might want to pop into it. And there you go. Okay. I think it took it, right? Yeah. With one tick at least. So it took that and still repricing this gap here. Can it go lower? I wonder if it can or not. Or is it going to try to, you know, go down to the 60s, or I don't know what's the deal. Maybe not. The level is down at the 50s. Hey, look at that. It's just going down. Where's my calculator? No, I'm still waiting. I'm not long. I'm still just waiting. I was waiting actually for a possible long position, yeah. But as I saw that it is repricing this 5-minute gap, I was like, we're back to the range. You know, multiple, like, inverting the inversion candle. So it might continue to drop lower. So that's why it's a little bit scary. Yo, Shenanigan, what's up? The trading day is okay so far. It's okay. It's alright. In the green on 3 funded accounts actually. So that's okay for me. And Trading Star is here. My man, what's happening? How is trading? How you doing, brother? Brother from another mother. Huh. How are things? Man, maybe you guys never heard this, but trading is hard. Trading is hard. Finish the stream. All right. Hope that you are green. All right. You're good. Going slow. Exactly. That's how you do. Bear flag. Might be. I was watching here. It doesn't really look like a bear flag, at least not yet. I would like to see more movement to, consider it as a possible bear flag, at least on the 1 minute. But I mean, maybe, could be. Hmm. Let's go. That's how I started. except I had no girlfriend to watch the stream, but that's how I started. Oh man. I'm a little bit tired. And now it gets to look like a possible bear flag because it actually shifted structure, trying to push, but I don't know. I don't know. No, that's not good. That's not good. I don't know. With a grain of salt, maybe, but I would like to see it close below 69.25. Exactly. Oh yeah. I improved. Oh, sometimes I do miss the old days. I mean, with not just one girlfriend. We're gonna cut this, But maybe it went up. Who knows? You know what I really miss? And I hope the ladies are not gonna be disappointed or anything. But I really miss, flirting. I really miss that, when the flirting really, boggles your mind, or I don't know, it's so exciting. So I don't even remember when it was. It was like in another dimension now. Oh, definitely. Hey, let me share Trading Stars channel here. Totally forgot. Let me go to his channel and I can paste the link here. Here's Trading Stars channel. Give him a sub. Oh yeah, I might not gonna get food. I'm gonna sleep on the couch. You know. It's Tinder. Yeah. Well, everything is changed into Tinder now. Let's go. Give a sub to Trading Star. No problem, no problem. Give me a moment, I'll be right back. Here's the short there. You can go short on this one if it closes. Just a moment. All right, we're back. Is it dropping or not? Uh-oh. This was an interesting move, right? I don't like these kind of moves. Short here, 72. I mean, it was a 15-point drop. Actually, so it wasn't that bad. This is what I'm eating. Exactly. Exactly, Vivian. Gingerbread. But now, he had an accident now. Just right now. Oh no. Both arms are gone. Exactly. Gingerbread cookies. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the leg. Uh-oh. It's not looking good now. I think this little guy really wants to get over with this. So, goodbye, little fella. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. He has a few friends still out in the kitchen, so after the stream, there's gonna be a massacre. I can tell you that there's gonna be a huge massacre in the kitchen. Carnage. Carnage. All right. I think I'm done with the session. By the way, I'm green on the accounts. So I'm good. I'm good. So thank you so much, everybody, for watching. This was a good session. I'll be back tomorrow for London, as always. And what can I say? Trade safely. Thank you so much again. And if you would like to support the channel, please use the links and the codes. The same code almost everywhere. The best cheat code. Thank you for considering it and supporting the stream. Also, cash giveaway. Check out the link in the chat or in the title or in the description. Sign up. Points to earn every day. All right, $100 for the winner. So that's it. God bless you all 1,000 times and more. And I'll be back tomorrow in London session. Yes, Kirk, but don't worry. You know, you're all blessed. All right. I'll be back tomorrow in London. Cheers, everyone. Oh, again. All right, cheers.